Welcome back to the shop. It's Tuesday, the 11th of December, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Oh gosh, ooh, that is good on this cold night, isn't it?
It sure
That's
is.
where I like this
Yummy,
one,
yummy cider.
Alrighty, let's jump right in and let's talk about this week in the shop. Alrighty, it rained pretty much all week. We didn't get a whole lot done as far as outside. It kind of rained and rained and rained. I can't think of one day it didn't rain this week. But we did start on the show trailer, getting it cleaned out. We started on the mom cave and got that. I think your path went from this wide to this wide. So we were getting some ground gained in there. And I worked in the shop and did a bunch of cleanup. Really got a lot done.
Yes,
really did.
shop looks 100% better.
And cleaned up as you come in the door, and the table saw's there, and then the outfeed and build tables behind it. There was a bunch of stuff between that and the shop kitchen there, and I got a lot of that cleaned up. We actually got some working room in there. Then let's see, we cut, sanded, and started painting 3 more sets of the snowman Santa. Now this is one of the smaller versions of it, but remember it comes in a small, then a medium, and then a large one, and they come in a set. So we started on those, and then we started on another post-person Grinch, which is the landscaping timber Grinch. It's about, I guess about that tall. Got started on that. Probably the biggest thing this week in the shop, Kimberly's birthday. So happy birthday, Kim. Yeah, I had a great time last night at dinner with them last night.
Went to dinner with them last night. Habaneros and got to see Junior.
Yeah, it was great. We had a good time. All right, let's move on. Now let's talk about the projects we finished this week. Didn't get a lot finished, but that's kind of standard for us. I did finish the shelf up here and fix the shelf. If you go back and look at some other videos, you can see it was kind of sagging there. And I said, well, that's horrible in a woodworker's video to have a shelf looking like that. But if you can see that shelf up there, it's got the tight bond on it. I put a couple of supports underneath it, got the sag out of it. Mom completed and sold 2 of the Post People Grinches.
Yeah.
Got those finished up and sold. She sold a bunch of the Grinch and Snowman sign people, just like that, about that size, right?
They're the same size.
Those. And then we released a metal detector unboxing video. That is a really neat metal detector.
I've been watching YouTube videos.
Yeah, so if y'all haven't seen it, check that out. Alrighty, let's move on. I could just hold on to that this evening. That's nice and warm. Shows and markets and shows. Not much to talk about in that arena because, as you know, we're not planning to do too much until mid-March, 3rd weekend in March or so of 2019. Now, we do have a show that we're looking at. We're not going to say where, but have you been working on that one?
I have.
All right, we're trying to get into one now. I think it's going to be really neat, really interesting. As it comes together, then we'll let you know what's going on with that. Otherwise, not much going on in the world of shows and markets and shows for 2 dogs. All right, guys, let's move on. I really don't want to put that down. All right, upcoming for 2 dogs. Now, there's not going to be a lot of changes in this. This is going to be like a broken record over and over again for the next several weeks. We're going to continue the cleanup on the shop, the mom cave, and the show trailer until we get all that done. Then we're going to, if it stops raining, we're going to mill some logs or saw some logs up. We can't get out there in the mill. It's literally, there's a river running on both sides of it and down behind it, and just been horrible out there, so we can't get out there. But looking forward to getting on the mill and getting Mama back out there on the mill. We're going to finish up on these put-off projects. Now, I told you that's not stuff that we're thinking about doing. It's really mostly stuff that we've already kind of started. And we just kind of got them started, and with show season coming up on us, we didn't get to finish them. We're going to start finishing up on those one by one. I don't think we have a particular order, do we?
No, just whatever. If it's in the way, get it done, get it out of here.
Get it moving. Then we're going to complete the Christmas orders as they come in, because we continue to get Christmas orders. So we're going to continue doing those as those come in. Otherwise, I don't think we've got a whole lot planned for upcoming. And that's going to be a broken record. We're just going to keep saying that at the end of every show, probably for the next couple of weeks. Alrighty, guys, let's move on. Well, actually, I think that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
I did enjoy Christmas shopping. My daughter-in-law took me Christmas shopping on her birthday, bless her little heart. Started off a little rocky with Anna getting sick and had to return home. But other than that, we had a great time, breakfast, shopping, and a lot of fun. So I appreciate you. Thank you much, Kimmy.
All right. Anything else?
Nope, that's about it.
All right. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's Tuesday, the 11th of December, 2018. The lights aren't twinkling.